This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting up Terabox and arranging your game data logically. Create or sign into your account, then verify email so sync functions fully. Once done, open the Terabox app or web client and create top-level folders named Saves, Mods, and Installers. You do this to avoid conflicts and speed restores. Next, enable automatic upload or selective sync for those folders. This ensures new saves get backed up without manual steps and prepares you for the transfer. Now you upload and manage the files that games need. Drag and drop installers, mods, and large asset packs into their designated Terabox folders, or use the sync client to mirror local folders. Make sure to enable selective sync so only actively used files stay on your drive. This conserves SSD/HDD space. While uploads run, set folder permissions and enable versioning if offered. This protects against corrupt saves. Monitor upload progress and prioritize critical files like save games and configs first. Finish by restoring files and testing gameplay. Download or sync saves and mods to the exact game directories, then launch the game to confirm saves load and mods work. If paths differ, move files to the correct folder and verify integrity using Game Verify tools. If something goes wrong, check Terabox storage quota and connection status first, then retry failed uploads or downloads. Clear the app cache and re-authenticate if sync stalls. One retry after cache clear resolves most transfer or permission errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.